Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. I'm here with two special guests. You have seen them before. First we have John, which you may recognize him from the pregnancy prank video.
Famous.
And we have my boyfriend Christian, and this thing that we have going on here, like we're matching, we didn't plan it at all. This happens like twice a month, like every single month, but whatever. Today we're going to be trying something different. I haven't done anything like this before without the camera or with the camera, but we're gonna try pumpkin spiced food items. I have a feeling that I won't like any of them, and that's why we have a trash can over here for me, so we can spit the things that we don't like, and bottles of water. So we're gonna start doing this. How do you think it's gonna go? Do you like pumpkin spice things?
Nope, not at all, but let's try it.
I don't think I've ever tasted pumpkin spice.
So the first thing that we have is Belvita pumpkin spice breakfast biscuits.
Yay!
I have tasted them. I have tasted them before, but the coconut oatmeal ones, and they're okay, but I got a feeling that the pumpkin spice one are going to taste horrible. We're gonna open one package because if we don't like it, I'm going to give it away to other people. We have 4 crackers. Take one. Don't bite it, nor smell it. Smell it.
It smells like a regular cookie.
It smells good,
It smells
to
like
be
an
honest.
oatmeal cookie.
Like a regular cookie with cinnamon.
I think I'm gonna like it, to be honest. I was scared of this one, but let's try it. 1, 2, and 3. I don't feel the pumpkin, nor the spice.
Pretty good.
Tastes like the cinnamon ones.
Oh. Oh, keep it good.
Do you want another one for breakfast? So the next thing that we're gonna try are some pumpkin spice caramel and milk chocolate from Russell Stover.
Ooh,
One for you, and this one is for us. It smells just like chocolate.
it doesn't look like a pumpkin.
It kind of looks like a pumpkin.
No,
it
it
has
doesn't.
like
It's a ball.
the stem thing.
It looks like a little turd.
I'm gonna cut it in half. Are you sure this is pumpkin? I think this is just caramel. It says pumpkin spice caramel. Oh, maybe the caramel stick tastes like pumpkin. Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, and 3. ASMR.
Do you taste anything different?
It tastes like the boxed chocolates.
Yeah.
It
Like
tastes.
crappy boxed chocolates. Oh.
There's something in the caramel that's different, but
I don't taste it at all. This is going pretty well. I didn't lose like $10.
it was good because I'm eating for free.
I bought everything.
Me too.
It was good.
Okay, so the third item. Pumpkins.
Ooh.
I have no idea if this is candy, if this is chocolate, if this is plastic, like like mini pumpkins cultivated by Dwight Schrute. So let's open it.
Tiny little hard candy pumpkins. Yeah, way to open it. You got real opening skills.
I suck at opening things.
Yeah.
Take your pumpkin.
Yeah,
they
Fabiola.
completely destroyed it.
I destroyed the
They
package.
completely destroyed the bag.
Take it.
Oh, this doesn't look good at all.
How does it smell like? Nothing.
It's like candy.
Candy. Is it squishy?
Nope, it's hard.
It's really hard.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Are you gonna like put it completely
I'm
in the
gonna take
mouth?
a bite.
Or a bite?
Bite.
No, completely.
No.
Completely.
Completely. It's gonna break
I'm
my
just
teeth.
I'm just gonna-
No, completely.
Okay,
1,
completely.
2, and 3. Oh!
Well, that's a candy corn.
Number 1. Oh, that was gross.
Ooh. No. Okay.
It's just pumpkin candy. Oh, you taking another one? It's disgusting, man.
Ugh.
I hate candy corn.
I know. I actually like candy corn. I don't love it.
It's gross. It's the dumbest candy.
It's just too sweet. What's that? It's
As
a
if-
weird type of sweet.
It's as if calling corn something candy was like, who fucking, like nobody wakes up and be like, I'm gonna eat some corn. And like the candy version doesn't help at all.
I wonder.
Like what could be worse than an actual vegetable? The candy version of the vegetable, that's candy corn. It's disgusting. Ugh. Well,
I really like it.
that was bad.
Christian likes it. So next we have some Reese's. Reese's peanut butter pumpkin enrobed in white cream.
Oh, that's
In creme.
kind of
Creme.
Crane.
Now I'm
Creme.
scared. Oh,
This is white chocolate.
yeah, that's what white cream is for. What did you think it was?
Like the white cream
Oh.
inside of the dark chocolate.
It comes with a little paper, look.
I don't like the smell.
Oh, what?
That's peanut butter.
Oh yeah.
Looks like a little-
Ugh, it touched.
Oh, it kinda almost looks like a pumpkin if you close your eyes and imagine a pumpkin.
If you actually close your eyes and
No.
imagine.
Look, see? I see a pumpkin right now.
This one looks better as a pumpkin.
That looks like a little poop. Now this one looks like a little dog poop, like a dry
It's a little
one.
white pumpkin.
Diablo.
This is gonna be such a disgusting video, like with the candy and with your mouth.
Boom. Roasted.
You know what happened when you invited me. You know what was gonna happen. We gotta smell it.
I like it.
Oh, it smells like peanut butter.
You know what? It smells really good, to be honest.
It smells like peanut butter.
It smells like Skippy peanut butter.
Stop.
How much peanut butter is in this that you need to like fucking...
I don't know.
And you can smell the peanut butter from inside the chocolate.
I think I see the peanut butter.
Like that's a lot of goddamn peanut butter.
Ooh, it's soft.
It's gross. I'm not gonna take a bite out of this. No.
No, yes, you need to take a bite out of
Cut
it.
it in half too. I'm gonna just cut a piece. I'm not taking a bite out of this whole thing. Oh, this is gross. I hope no one comes in here asking what those white marks are.
Okay. Take it.
Oh, that's
really
come on! You're gonna tell me
good.
that's good? That's yum. Oh, it's gonna fall. Oh,
It's so disgusting.
I don't see what's so bad about it.
I do. Okay,
You'll eat anything, Kristen.
let's try it. Let's try it.
1, 2, 3.
No, better. I think
No?
I can do it. It's not that bad.
That was gross as fuck.
Christian is liking everything. Like
Yeah.
he's just there eating
Got it.
everything.
Black hole.
Take it.
Ugh.
Water.
Yeah. Peanut butter and chocolate don't go together. It's like they're two great things. They don't make a good thing. It's gross. It's gross. I stand by that.
Peanut butter shot.
Get caught in the comments. You let us know. Peanut butter and chocolate. Does it suck or is it good? It's not good. And if you say it's good, you're wrong.
Last but not least, lollipops.
Oh, that also looks gross.
Here, one for you, and one for me. These are the cream swirl pumpkin cupcake gourmet lollipops.
How many turtles do you think they kill every time they have one of these little plastic wrappers? Look how much plastic is in this thing. God. Oh. Wait, before we eat it, have you guys ever actually like eaten a pumpkin?
No.
Like
I don't.
taking a piece of pumpkin?
No.
And eat, right? So what the hell are we judging? It's not gonna taste what? It tastes like pumpkin? We don't know what pumpkin tastes like.
I mean,
Smell it.
I don't like
It smells like absolutely nothing.
Smells like.
Yeah, it does actually.
Smells like
I don't like it.
pumpkin perfume. Okay, let's take
A bite.
Has
A bite.
Has anyone licked it?
No.
Almost said cheers. It's cheers.
Cheers.
No, espérate, one, two.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's take a lick. Or no, let's put it like in our mouth, like all together, like.
That's what she said.
You always left me satisfied and smiling, so.
That's what she said.
1, 2, and 3. My mouth was cold.
That's what she said.
No.
Wow, that's pretty bad. That's pretty
No.
disgusting.
No.
Wow.
It's like I feel the spice in it, and that's what I don't like.
This thing can choke a child. This is a goddamn hazard. Look how big
Does
this
any-
thing
ew,
is.
no.
Oh, it's spicy.
I don't
Ew.
like it.
No.
No.
Spicy.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Ugh. Nope. Sorry.
You're gonna break something with that giant ass ball. Look at this thing. Oh, it's pretty bad. I'm gonna keep eating it.
You did.
Nope. I did not like it at all. So, those were the final products. I'm gonna ask them which product did you like the best and the worst.
My favorite was the chocolate, the Russell Stover's chocolate caramel pumpkin. Didn't taste much like pumpkin. Not the Reese's, that was disgusting.
These ones.
Yeah, those were the best. For me, the little turd pumpkins. And, Christian, your favorite?
They're all actually pretty good, except for the lollipop.
Disgusting.
And you're
Like,
still eating
pero-
the lollipop.
But I just wanna see if anything changes. Pero
It wasn't
my
that
favorite
bad.
was the cookies because I just thought of eating the cookies with some coffee.
My favorite one was the pumpkin spice Velveeta cookies. Just like Christian.
Okay, now,
And I
your
also
least
like
favorite.
this one.
Dame.
Like these ones.
Okay, no, but now, least favorite.
Least favorite? My least favorite were the mini pumpkin thingies.
Those
Yeah.
are disgusting.
Like I didn't like that at all.
For me.
0%.
Christian?
Your least favorite one?
The lollipop.
The lollipop.
It was
No
pretty-
pun
pretty
intended.
nasty. Okay, my least favorite one, unanimous decision, didn't even have to think about it, was a disgusting Reese's Cup, gross ass, pumpkin peanut butter. The chocolate does not go with peanut butter. White chocolate is also disgusting. Yeah, no, I said it. This is, like, you don't even have to listen to anybody else. This is the worst one out of all of them. It was disgusting. And let me know in the comments if that's true.
I'm eating.
Do you
it while
agree?
we
You know, agree? It's
eat.
disgusting. It's gross, and you're gross because you eat it.
You ate it as well.
I took a bite. It was just,
I also took a bite and I didn't eat it completely.
Ugh.
Or did I?
I did.
I don't remember. But anyways, that is it for today's trying pumpkin flavored food. So that is it for today's video about trying pumpkin spice flavored food. I wouldn't do it again. Maybe with another like taste theme, maybe Christmas. We should definitely do a Christmas one, like trying coquito,
Okay, let's do it. Yeah, no, yeah, that's a number
trying
one.
like
Yeah,
candies, like everything
you?
Christmas themed. So anyways, make sure to give this video a
Like.
I was gonna say thumbs up.
thumbs up.
You suck, man.
Thumbs up is a like, man.
I know.
And subscribe.
Yeah.
Say it.
And then hop over to my channel.
My
and
channel.
subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Yeah.
That was fun.